A lot of people coming in for salt and shovels and different kinds of ice melt, pet-safe ice melts, snow blowers. So it's been pretty steady all day. Everybody's getting prepared. They don't want to be caught with the snowstorm and not prepared.
As the snow is coming down and the snow plows are out, Ace Hardware employees were busy doing the same, while last-minute customers filled their carts with everything needed for Sunday's snow.
Yeah, we're stocking up on salt, and we've got our snowblower all ready to go, and just trying to hunker down and prepare for the cold and the snow, but it's nothing unexpected, so.
Before walking out of the store with salt and other snow day necessities, Martina Parola said a snow day isn't always as bad as it seems.
I like the snow. Growing up, we only ever got a few inches in Kentucky, but here you get so much, and it's pretty, and as long as it's nice and pretty and snowy outside, I'd rather that than just cold.
As the snow continued to blow outside, another customer agreed.
I'm excited. I don't mind. I love the four seasons. God bless the people in California. I'll take spring, summer, winter, fall.
But prepping for the snowfall isn't top of every customer's list. Making sure they can drive from point A to point B safely is.
I mean, if it's too bad, I won't drive out in it, no. Yeah, it's going to snow, but that's okay. Drive slow, watch out for the other driver, and I'm excited. It's okay.